Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6th, dear students were studying the lesson air around us. We study the different properties of air. We study the different gases that are present in the air. We study how is air present in water with the help of activity. How is air present in soil with the help of activity. So these things we discussed in this. So the last topic that we were going to discuss in this chapter is how is the oxygen in the atmosphere replaced. So dear students, as you know that the process of photosynthesis where the plants make their food and oxygen. This oxygen is liberated into the air and the animals consume this oxygen. So plants also consume oxygen for respiration, but they produce more of it than they consume. That is why we see plants produce oxygen. So as you know that animals cannot live without plants. There is a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is maintained through respiration in plants and animals and by the process of photosynthesis in plants. So the two things we balance the ratio of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air is the process of photosynthesis and the process of respiration. These two important chemical reactions make the balance between the oxygen and the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So dear students, besides the use of the oxygen by the plants and animals for photosynthesis and for the respiration purposes, this air is also used in different ways as well. Suppose we have a windmill here. You see in the picture a windmill is picture of windmill. So windmill is a mill that rotates. Windmill is a wheel that rotates with the, and during the rotation of windmill we can use the windmill to draw water from true wells, to run floor mills. Windmill is also used to generate electricity. Air helps in movement of sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes, and aeroplanes. Birds and bats also fly due to the presence of air. Air also helps in the dispersal of seeds and pollens of flowers and several plants. Air play important role in motorcycle. So these are the some of the important use of air. So we can see that air is used in respiration, air is used for photosynthesis, air is used to draw to rotate the windmill. Air is used to draw the water from the tube wells with the help of these windmills. It is used to run the floor mills with the help of windmills. It is used in parachutes, sailing boats. Birds and insects fly in the air, fly due to the presence of air. Similarly, the dispersal of seeds and pollens of flowers of several plants. That is also pollination. In pollination, the air is important factor. So we can say that air is also important role in water cycle. So dear students, these were the different uses of air, the air we consume. Dear students, stay correct.